Okay, this is a custom video for Tammy. Tammy, I think you know who you are. I was showing Tammy this exercise here a couple of weeks ago, and I told her I'd make a video, and we finally got the opportunity to do it. I don't want to use my reins because I want to break this down to something that the horse can absolutely understand, which is just leg pressure. Now, my hands are going to be there to help and to support, but for the most part, I'm just going to try to use my legs, right? So let's just get into it right here. So we're going to walk into this fence at 45-degree angle. I'm going to look off to my left. I'm going to put my foot in the number 2 position, and when my horse moves off laterally like she just did, you know, she sort of stepped front feet over in front like this, and her back feet crossed over the same way. And when I get that, then I just release and I keep walking. We'll go back this way. I'm going to look. I'm barely touching on my reins. I'm just sort of helping her. If I feel like she's not really crossing her legs over and moving off to the left, well, I'm going to put my foot back there and move that hip over and just encourage her to step both feet to the left at the same time, and then the same thing going to the right. I'm going to go one more time down this way. Just going to open the door, going off to the left. Not bad. Not bad. It's not perfect, but it's day one. We're just going to continue to refine that, and before you know it, we'll have that really, really slick, nice side pass.